Welcome to the Nash House, guys. This is going to be a vlog since you guys wanted to know a little bit more about my family and how we interact. So enjoy. Oh, sorry. She's a teenager. She doesn't want to be recorded. Hey, Tommy.
Boo.
How are you? Speak. Good. Good morning. Hi, honey. Hi, honey.
The height difference.
Shut up.
The height difference.
Boys, good morning. That's Dick. And that's Draxton. And that's Tommy. Tommy, sit for them. Sit. Good. Do you need to go out? Do you need to go outside? Did you eat? Okay, you need to eat. Come on, let's go eat. Dion, did you feed Tommy?
Over here, a little bit of man stuff.
Hi, Dion, did you feed Tommy? Did you feed Tommy? Hey, Dion. Hey, Dion.
Hey, Mama, did you get taller?
Oh, you trying to be funny.
Yeah.
Hey, this is my buddy. He only 11, and he's already towering over his mom. Dang, honey. Oh, and hubby about to cook me breakfast. Ain't that right, hubby?
I'm cooking me breakfast. I don't know.
Huh? What happened?
You have to cook for her. You have to pay all the bills, and you have to pay stuff for her. That's according to what.
Oh, I like this son.
Oh,
Hi,
yeah,
son.
Bud's getting banned soon.
Oh, I don't like that son.
See, they prescribe from the book of wrong.
Yeah.
Hey, stop woman bashing. You love
Sorry,
this
the
woman.
book of loud and wrong.
Yeah.
Now give me sugar. Please.
Do you have to record it?
Hold on.
Mwah.
Oh.